Hi Alex, Rafi from the Filipino Correspondent Network. So ano yung naging susi nung panalo mo ngayong laban na sa isang veteranong manlalaro katulad ni Alexandra?
Um, yan nga, may konting swerte din. Pero tingin ko yung laban talaga kasi madaming moments lalo na nung down ako match point or kung ano-ano, 4-love down, na pwede na akong bumigay. Pero hindi talaga, lumaban talaga hanggang dulo, kaya masaya. Thank you.
And what were your thoughts when you were trailing 5-2 in the third set, and how did you manage to turn that match around?
I think it was tough at 5-2. I think she had a lot of momentum. So just point by point, trying to get all the energy I can from the points that I win and of course the crowd. Yeah.
And mensahe mo, mga kapwa.
And maraming salamat sa suporta mga kababayan.